In this step-by-step beginner's guide, I'll show you how to set up your PlayStation Portal remote player with your PS5 console for the first time properly, so that you don't have any difficulties gaming on your PS Portal from wherever you want. To be able to set up your PS Portal properly with your PS5, first you'll need to check some settings on your PS5 console. So boot up your PS5 and then head to settings. Go down to System, then we will go to Remote Play and enable Remote Play. This will ensure that you can wake up your PS5 using your Portal. Then you will also need to go to Power Saving, Features available in Rest Mode, and turn on Stay Connected to the Internet, and enable turning on PS5 from Network. Now we can start setting up our PS Portal. So just make sure that your PS5 is turned on. And let's start by turning it on by pressing the power button that's on the top for about 3 seconds until you see the PS logo. Then you'll be greeted with the language selection page. So let's select our language. Then connect to our Wi-Fi. You can either use the D-pad or the touchscreen, which is very decent. After that, press I agree and confirm. Then sign in using your PSN account. You can either do it by scanning the QR code using the PlayStation app on your phone, or just press the option button to sign in manually. Now we will need to connect it to our PS5 console. So let's tap on Pair a PS5, and you should see your PS5 here. If you have multiple consoles, then just look at the last logged in time to identify your current console. Then just press X, and it should say paired to your PS5. Now it will ask you to confirm these steps that we have already completed, so you can just press continue. After that, it will show you how you can open the settings menu of your PS Portal. And that's all. We have successfully connected our PS Portal to our PS5. Just hit next and you will see the portal animation, and your PS Portal will start connecting to your PS5. When it's connected, it will say ready to play. Just hit X and we're done. After which, you'll get full control of your PS5 right in your hands. So go ahead and jump right into the games, and don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more.